Mungkin kalau misalnya kita flashback sedikit ya Bapak Ibu ke 5 atau 10 tahun yang lalu ketika era cloud itu masih belum masuk di Indonesia, eranya masih di infrastruktur on-prem. Itu mungkin tantangannya berbeda ya. Kalau dulu mungkin tantangannya lebih kepada biaya, dan ketika ingin membangun infrastruktur itu membutuhkan biaya yang besar. Nah, kalau saat ini di era cloud, ketika sudah banyak provider cloud masuk, mungkin Bapak Ibu di sini juga sudah pakai cloud ya. Ada yang mungkin sudah pakai beberapa cloud atau multi cloud, atau juga ada yang menggunakan hybrid cloud. Tantangannya berbeda dengan dahulu. Kalau sekarang tantangannya sudah lebih mudah untuk adaptasi, tapi tantangan yang menurut kami cukup menantang ya di era saat ini adalah harga atau spending dari cloud-nya sendiri. Nah, pada hari ini sebenarnya kita ingin bersama-sama belajar ya, bagaimana sih perusahaan Bapak Ibu nantinya bisa dapat kontrol dari cloud spending Bapak Ibu sendiri. Yang mana kontrolnya ini tanpa memusingkan teman-teman dari tim developer.
So that's why today I want to share with you this thing called FinOps. If you have not heard of FinOps, FinOps is an operating model. Okay, macam like DevOps to make it easy for you. But the key thing about that is because there was a disconnect between you and finance, we want to bridge this connection between the two of them. Must talk lah, because finance hold money ma, investments ma, they got the money for you to spend ma, but you have no money to spend ma, so you got to work with them lah. So FinOps is all about making sure that you use the cloud to maximize your business value. Alright, because as your business is profitable, then Pak Andreas will buy me dinner again. Because he gets a big bonus, he will also share his bonus with me. Alright, same thing with your company. They do well, you get to keep your job, you also get better bonus. So part of this is, number one, is we want to make sure that people are talking together. You have other counterparts, you plus finance. We want to make sure that people are doing things sensibly. They don't just turn on an AI just for the fact of trying AI. But we want to try AI. Maybe we can tell Pak Andreas and says, I can build this new chatbot that helps to improve the loan process, right? If you are from the bank. Or if you're insurance, the claim process. So instead of me kena langgar outside and call agent, hello, kena langgar outside. Now I can use an app, langgar. Okay, give me claim. Good, right? Happy, right? That kind of thing. Because if your customers are happy, you happy. You happy, your business happy, they give you bonus. Alright, so a few things they can do is FinOps. Key thing, if you want to take away today, make sure that you and your finance people plus your business people are delivering value for the business so that you benefit from it. So take away the ambiguity. Now, in order to do this, FinOps is it just a theory? Later you hear Pak Andreas his story. Okay? But before that, I just give you my version of things. So just now you saw there was this spinning wheel. If we terbalik, go one screen. FinOps also has a wheel, a process, inform, optimize, and operate. So you must be able to see lah. Cannot see sheer langgar one lah. Then if you can see, you can try to improve, get better. And then of course you can do continuous improvements. Now, but let's make this practical, right? So I make it 1, 2, 3. Easy lah. Only 3 steps only. 1, 2, 3. First, 1, you must be able to see your data lah. Must based on data, not based on feeling. Because my feeling this morning not very good, very upset. So I tell my boss rubbish. Then kena scolded. No good, right? So you must tell based on facts. Talk to finance based on fact, procurement based on fact. Then you need to tell your CFO, I'm trying to improve cost, you know. Last time I spent so much, but now I'm trying to align with you. And then last and foremost, with your business, your different departments, your loan departments, your claim departments, your prepaid, your postpaid, whatever departments that you're working with, you align with what they are trying to achieve. Alright, so you don't tell them, says, hey, this project $1 million. But is it worth 1 million? Maybe the revenue they get is less than 1 million or 2 million. Business don't think in 100% ROI, they think of ROI of at least 400 to 500% return on investments. So how? So, 1, 2, 3, let's talk 1 first. First thing that you need to do is you must be able to automate some of this process, right? Because AWS, all this, Tencent, Alibaba, they all have some costs. But how do we see those costs? One easy way, spreadsheet lah. But spreadsheet, you got to manage yourself. Can other people see? Pak Sumarto see? Cannot. So, we need to kind of automate it. Key thing here, we want to collaborate. Pak Sumarto and I need to look at the data. So we need to say this data is truthful. Spreadsheet can be, sometimes got error one, right? If you copy cell, we need to trust that data also. So, we need to do that. Interestingly, I have a product. Alright, I have this product here that allows you to do this. Hey, you're not amused by my joke, I got product, you all think I lying. Really, I got a product here. You see, this product here allows me to see a few things. How much am I spending? Compare my previous month. Look into my, even deep dive into my AI course. Number 2, is optimization, because now we know where we are spending. We contextualize already. We know this one is Pak Sumarto used one. He's used for his sales channel business. Okay, never mind. So what we do here is you need to continuously refine instead of looking at your APM tools. So again, maybe we need to say that certain things that we do, we see who is the boss first. Or maybe this boss very important, it helps me to be promoted. Better help him a bit. Maybe look at it from applications, right? Because your resources are supporting applications. Look at the teams and then we look at the actions. Now we can tarik, talk a bit. Say, hey brother, boleh or not? Next month got campaign or not? Is it risky to do now or not? That's what we do. SREs is about maintaining availability, but yet at the same time taking recommendations to maintain costs. Now, next one is nobody wants to be 34,000. You saw just now that story, right? Because if you do that, somebody's neck is on the line for sure one. Finance only have X dollars for you. You exceed it, you answer for it. You have to figure out. So we want to de-risk the business because the business has to be profitable. There's a few things that we can do here. Number 1, do proper budgeting. Right, the blue bar, every month I budget. I got orange bar that tells me how much am I using, and I can use smart intelligence to predict where I'm spending based on historical data. Alright, this one is quite a straightforward thing. It's based on historical data. You can also use more advanced one using AI to predict things. Now, just now 34K, right? Because of that spend. You know what will happen? Pak Andreas will get a bill next month. Aduh, what like that? Too late already. So what we want to do is, let's take away surprises. So the best is I can get a spike, I get informed, and I prevent that from happening.